Hello everyone! Today, we'll start with a simple thought. Mathematics isn't just something we work on in class. It's a part of our daily decisions and the world around us. We use it when we budget, check the time, or figure out directions without even realizing it. But math also appears in nature itself. Today, we'll explore how math becomes a silent blueprint for nature through concepts like patterns, the Fibonacci sequence, and the golden ratio, and how these ideas help us appreciate the world with new eyes.
Today, I just want to share a quick thought about why math is really indispensable in our lives. Math isn't just about solving problems on paper. It's something we use every single day. From budgeting our allowance, to checking the time, to understanding directions, math always shows up without us even noticing. It trains us to think clearly, make better decisions, and solve problems step by step. And honestly, even things like technology, business, and even the apps that we use daily wouldn't exist without mathematics. So even if math can be challenging sometimes, I've realized that it's actually one of the most useful tools we have in real life. And that's why I believe math is really truly indispensable. How is mathematics related to nature? Math isn't just something we learn in school. It's actually a part of nature itself. Ever since the beginning, mathematics has been the hidden pattern behind God's creations. The more you notice it, the more you realize how organized and beautiful the world really is. For example, the Fibonacci sequence shows up in so many natural things. You can see it in the spiral of seashells, the way sunflower seeds are arranged, and even how some plants grow their leaves. Nature follows these patterns naturally, like it's built into its design. Then there's the golden ratio, which is known for creating the perfect and pleasing proportions. You can find it in flowers, pine cones, storms, and even in the structure of our bodies. It explains why certain things look balanced and beautiful to us. So for me, math isn't just numbers, it's nature's way of showing order, balance, and design. It's like a silent language that helps us see the world in a deeper and more meaningful way.
Hi everyone! Today I'm talking about the Fibonacci sequence. It is a simple number pattern that appears in many things we see in nature. The pattern starts with 0 and 1. Each new number is the sum of the two before it. It goes 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and it continues. It may look simple, but it shows in real life in many surprising ways. We can see this pattern in flowers like lilies and roses. Sunflowers also follow these patterns because their petals often match Fibonacci numbers. Pine cones and pineapples have spirals that fit the sequence too. Even some shells grow in curves that follow this pattern. This shows that nature has its own way of using numbers. The Fibonacci sequence helps us understand how many living things grow and form their shapes.
Now it is time to explore about the golden ratio. Have you ever heard exactly what it is? The golden ratio contains a special number that can be found in math, design, and especially with nature. That special number is approximately 1.618, and when design or objects follow this proportion, they tend to look balanced and pleasing in the eyes. Look at this flower. Its petals follow the golden ratio. Many flowers have petals in numbers like 3, 5, 8, or 13, which are related to the Fibonacci sequence. The way the petals are arranged also follows a spiral pattern connected to the golden ratio. This helps the flower grow evenly and makes it look naturally pleasing. So if you see a flower next time, then you might just be looking at mathematics in action. The golden ratio isn't just about beauty. It actually helps nature grow in the most efficient way. That's why the same pattern repeatedly shows up everywhere. And that is also why artists, architects, and designers use it, because it creates balance and harmony that make designs look naturally satisfying.
To end, mathematics proves itself to be more than a school subject. It's a tool we use every day and a structure that nature has relied on since the beginning. Patterns like the Fibonacci sequence show up in flowers, fruits, and shells, revealing how many living things grow and arrange themselves. The golden ratio, on the other hand, highlights how nature balances beauty and efficiency in its designs. All of these show that math is not separate from life or creation. It's built into the world we move through, and the more we recognize its patterns, the more we understand why mathematics is truly indispensable, both in our daily choices and in the grand design of nature itself.